Mumbai, a swarming packed city in India where majority of the people travel by local train, making it number one transportation system but packed. I survived a day in Mumbai local train. Let's go. People have told me passengers complain first, sometimes even fight for the seats. And what's crazy is some people literally have fixed seats even before they board the train. I don't believe this. On top of that, it's Ganesh Chaturthi. Oh, damn. But there's only one way to find out. We're just at the railway station and I'm just waiting for my train. The train's now here. And the crowds really started to gather up inside the train, and let's hope nothing bad happens. Mumbai local train has two types. First is the AC one, which is recently launched, and the other is non-AC. Now there's two types of non-AC one. First is the first class, this other is the second class. And yes, again I went in the second class because, oh great, we have reached our first station safely. But to reach our first destination, we need to take a bus. Adventure just doesn't stop only for the train, it's time for bus. There's a freaking line. One thing which I really like about Mumbai is the fact that all these people, they wait in line for the bus, which is like very not normal, abnormal for me. The bus was fine, it was cool. Gateway of India. There was it. Standing tall, pretty. It looked perfect. Mumbai की local train कैसी लगती है?
मुंबई की जान, like दिल.
मुंबई की जान.
मुंबई की जान.
बिल्कुल पसंद है. जान है हमारी. सब उसी से ही है. सब उसी से चलता है, पूरा मुंबई उससे ही चलता है.
Those of you guys जो आप सोच रहे हो बिल्कुल सही है. He kind of resembled the hero of KGF 2. बहुत लोग बोलते होंगे ऐसा.
या बिल्कुल सेल्फी भी लेते हैं हर जगह रोक के.
Damn bro, you look on fire. बहुत मजा आ रहा है देख के मुझे.
थैंक यू सो मच.
सही पर्सनैलिटी है. मजा आता है ट्रैवल करने में.
बहुत मजा आता है लोकल ट्रेन में ट्रैवल करके.
भीड़ का क्या कहना है? You like it or not?
बहुत अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस होता है.
जो रेगुलर है उनके लिए तो कुछ नहीं है. जो फर्स्ट टाइम आ रहे हैं उनको थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम हो सकता है थोड़ा, बट लोकल में मजे है.
इफ यू आर अ ट्रैवलर तो एंजॉय करोगे उसको.
हाँ ये चीज़ है, एंजॉय करना आना चाहिए.
यस. लोकल ट्रेन के बिना मुंबई नहीं चलने वाला.
मैं दिल्ली से हूँ और मैं पहली बार मुंबई का लोकल ट्रेन आज एक्सपीरियंस किया. मुझे बहुत मजा आया. स्पेशली क्राउड
में मजा आता है. उनका सबका बिजनेस हो रहा है, सब बढ़ रहा है, धीरे धीरे चालू हो रहा है. मुंबई जैसा था वैसा वापस लाइन पे आ रहा है, ट्रैक पे आ रहा है, तो अच्छी बात है. लेट्स गो मुंबई. आमची मुंबई. Respect for Delhi. Yeah, there you go. Thanks. Thank you so much. Up till this point in journey, I started to realize that all those rumors, all those talks, I think was not true. Mumbai has people of big hearts. I started to realize how beautiful Mumbai and its people is, how welcoming and open-hearted the people here is. लाइफ में ऐसा रिस्क नहीं लिया. These guys are taking photos right at the seashore. मेरे हिसाब से इनका इंश्योरेंस है. जिसको जाना हो यहाँ से ऐसे जा सकता है. ये सारी एक्सक्लूसिव टिप्स खाली आराम ब्लॉग्स में. पोज मार रहे भाई साहब. इतनी खुशी. इन भाई ने मुझे पोज सिखाया नया. सारा इंस्टाग्राम का सीक्रेट मुझे पता चल गया. तुम लोग फोटो कैसे लेते हो. That's the money shot. Thanks भाई. And before I knew it, it rained. It's raining heavily. Thank God I had my umbrella. Now I'm stuck with all these people right here. मजा आ रहा है बारिश में. देखने की तो बहुत इच्छा हो गई भाई. ऊपर क्या करे.
देखो भैया अपना फ़ोन पानी में डाल रहे हैं.
फुल देसी स्टाइल.
अब वाटर प्रूफ हो गए. अभी नीरज भाई मिले हमारे को. बहुत अच्छा लगा मिलके. इनका इंस्टाग्राम वगैरह भी शेयर किया है. इनको पैशन है वीडियोग्राफी का. थैंक यू. एंड बिफोर द रेन स्टॉप्ड, I knew there was one place which I really wanted to go. I'm actually seeing this for the first time. Oh, I really wanted to see this place. क्या वीडियो बना रहा है ये. वड़ा पाव छोड़ के वड़ा पाव ऑर्डर करना चाहिए. This lady has one of the finest vada pav of Mumbai. बहुत फेमस है वड़ा पाव यहाँ पे. yes. पहले टेस्ट किया है कभी? नो, बट टेस्ट करना है अभी. It was time to face the biggest fear again. And there's our train. As soon as I boarded the train, I started to once again see the crowd. There were people eating popcorn, some people enjoying, some people were in their own mind.
The train is actually really crowded right now. Everybody pushing themselves for the exit.
The crowd was less, but there was slight change of plan.
So that was actually the fast train which I took to come here, and now I need to change it because the station which I need to depart at doesn't support fast trains. Yeah, it doesn't support fast trains.
The train which I took was a fast train. Just for the context, fast trains only stopped at major stations, so I needed to change my train. As soon as I get down, I just started rushing, not realizing what's happening. I just needed to take this train. But this happened.
I was just thinking that what that LD is actually udhar. So apparently there's a special train just for the lady. Your boy was trying to board the train, but thankfully that she helped me. Yeah, bye ladies.
All
train.
thanks to this lovely lady who helped me.
There she goes.
Otherwise, I was just about to be kicked out from the train.
Now that's mine. I need to run now.
The attempt wouldn't fail because of the crowd. The attempt to fail, but it was time for me to change my tactics. Otherwise, I'm just gonna be standing on the station, stranded.
15 minutes standing on the station. What I come to understand is that typically a local train takes 7 to 8 minutes to arrive at Odlo 3. Okay. What the hell? People like literally push the guys front of themselves to get inside the train. That's Mumbai's local life. There you go. Enjoy. Oh, anyways. Local train typically takes 7 to 8 minutes to arrive. भीड़ बहुत ज़्यादा जमा हो जाती है उतनी देर में.
The train थी coming in. My heartbeat started to
Every minute the
increase.
time passes, I'm getting anticipated.
All the people around me started to stare me even more.
I just wanna really board this train. I have no other choice. The train is here and I'm not confident.
All this crowd, all this noise was a part of Mumbai's daily life. I've come to realize that all these people are working hard. That justifies it. With the dense population, I think all these people are honored enough to be part of the Mumbai city. Everybody had a primary objective to put food on the table. And they're really giving what all they have to sustain their life, and I respect that. Like this old gentleman who's blind but still trying to work, giving me immense motivation to work even harder. But then I focus on something even more harder. His front pocket, which had specs. So all this time, this old guy had vision, had specs, but still was sitting there calmly. Never mind.
Hey buddy.
हाय
क्या बात है, मुझे तो लगा नहीं लोगे.
आप आए हैं वीडियो कंटेंट बनाने, तो मैं सीधे बात कर लूँ.
मुंबई की लोकल ट्रेन पसंद है?
यस.
उसकी भीड़.
हाँ.
मुंबई कैसा है?
मुंबई अच्छा है, जिसके पास सब कुछ है उसके लिए बहुत अच्छा है. मजदूरी वाले को तो उतना नहीं है, लेकिन जो कलाकार है उसके लिए बहुत अच्छा है.
मतलब जिसके पास टैलेंट है उसके लिए बहुत सही है.
हाँ.
आपका नाम क्या है?
गोल्डन यूनिकॉर्न है, एक और नाम है स्टार रुपेश रंगबाज.
स्टार रुपेश रंगबाज.
जी जी.
आप वाकई में स्टार हैं?
नहीं, मतलब कि नाम थोड़ा दिया हूँ यूनिक, जो सर्च लिस्ट में पहला है.
अच्छा, आप तो वैसे ही फर्स्ट आ जाएंगे.
यस. नहीं ऐसा नहीं, पब्लिक का प्यार मिले तो आस्ते आस्ते बनेंगे.
रोज यहीं खड़े होते हैं?
हाँ, रोज इधर ही रहता हूँ, जू में भी रहता हूँ.
जू बीच?
हाँ, जू बीच. फोटो रुक जाने आते हैं, इंटरव्यू वाले कभी कल आते हैं, हफ्ते में
कभी कभी. अच्छा लगता है वो जब आते हैं? नहीं.
हाँ आते हैं, लेकिन अभी बड़े लेवल का मीडिया उड़िया नहीं आया है.
हमारे लेवल का छोटा मोटा यूट्यूबर आता है,
वही लोग आते हैं.
बड़ा मीडिया वाला भी आ गया, आपको बता दूं मैं.
हाँ.
मेरे हिसाब से सबसे भरपूर टैलेंट आपके पास है.
नहीं, ऐसा बात नहीं है,
मुझे तो लगता है.
यही तो आपका प्यार है.
थैंक यू सो मच.
थैंक यू वेरी मच.
अब नहीं बोलेगा. अरे इतना पैसे में नहीं होता. The train is so packed, I can't even stand.
All these insanity was saved just because of this guy. If he wouldn't be there, I would have gone crazy. This baby who've been playing here with me all this time along and saved me from going insane. Up till this point of video, you all must be wondering, like, who made this possible? Who made my exploration in Mumbai possible? I just want to take a moment and thank Yash. This trip was possible just because of him. Yash met me inside the local train and I just asked him for the route. He explained it to me. On top of that, he asked me where I was from. I told him the whole story. We became really good friends and he offered me to travel Mumbai. So yes, Yash, if you're watching this, thank you so much, buddy. People like you really put meaning again into the friendship. For you, this is a classic example of how welcoming and open-hearted the people of Mumbai really is.
I'm also getting down from the train and people are pushing the guy forward who's like standing on the gate just to get out, just to exit at the platform. That's so crazy.
उधर था मैं अभी, उधर था अभी 1 मिनट पहले.
Okay, so the ride was fun, the train is just leaving. One thing which you can conclude from this video is I have become a Mumbaiker.
Needless to say, I keep her check. She was a bad, bad, never loved.
I wanted to try like getting down from the train while it's moving. Last time when I did that, my sister was so pissed.
थोड़ा ये करना पड़ेगा.
He is Saurav. Saurav भाई मिले. बहुत अच्छा लगा इनसे मिलके. नीरज. Oh, my bad. I'm bad with names. Okay, Neeraj. Okay, take. Okay. He is Yash, the guy behind the camera making me explore Mumbai.
Thank you.
Thank you.